particle starts to move at at O, and travels in a straight line with a velocity v centimeter per second, where v is given as v equals to 2t minus t square, and t is the time in seconds after leaving O. The particle comes to rest at A. Okay, comes to rest at A. So when a particle comes to rest at A, okay, the v equals to 0. Okay, because it comes to rest, so there's no velocity. Okay, remember that. So find the value of t at A. That's the first question. Find the value of t at A. So since v equals to 0 at A, okay, and the other thing is time is only in second after leaving O. So at O, t equals to 0. Okay, when it moves from O, t becomes 1, then there's velocity and so on. So with this information, I can find what is t at A. So 0 equals to 2t minus t square. So if I factorize t, what's left is 2 minus t. So t equals to 0 and t equals to 2. So at A, t equals to 2, okay, and also t equals to 0. So basically twice, okay. Next, part B. The acceleration a cm s minus 2 or cm per second square. So acceleration, okay, in kinematics, in order for us to find acceleration, okay, we have to differentiate velocity. Okay, v is given as 2t minus t square. So dv over dt is equals to a. So in this case, we have 2 minus 2t. Okay, 2 minus 2t, and the acceleration at A. Okay, acceleration at A. So at A, t equals to 2. Okay, so 2 minus 2 times by 2. So the answer is 2 minus 4, and the answer is negative 2 cm per second square. Okay. And part C, the distance SCM from O to A. The distance SCM from O to A. Okay, so O is one place, okay, that's the point, starting point, and A is another place. So basically from O it goes to A and then it stops. Okay, slowly it stops. Okay, that's why B equals to 0. So this question, what is the distance between O to A? What is this distance? That's what they want. Okay, so to find the distance, okay, we have to integrate. Okay, in kinematics, okay, we know if I have V to get F S, okay, displacement, I have to integrate, and to get velocity, acceleration, I have to differentiate. Okay, so to do this, integrate V to find S, and it is 2t minus t square, so it should be 2t square over 2 minus t cube over 3, and remember, you have to plus c, the constant. Okay, you have to plus c. Okay, now, okay, with given information that we have, I can find what is c at O t equals 0. At O t equals 0, and the particle hasn't moved at O, so therefore S is also 0 because the particle hasn't moved. So S equals to 2 times by 0 square over 2 minus 0 cube over 3 plus C, and C equals to 0. Okay, C equals 0. So now, since C equals 0, our equation for S is t square minus t cube over 3. Okay, this is the equation for S. And the question here, okay, what is the distance between 0 to A? Okay, how long it took to get to 0 to A. It took 2 seconds. Okay, to get to A, 0 to A, it took 2 seconds. So I can sub 2 inside. So S equals to 2 square minus 2 cube over 3. Okay, the answer is 4 minus 8 over 3, which is 12 minus 8, and the answer is 4 over 3 cm. Okay, so that's for part C. Now for part D, okay, I'm going to do it over here. Okay, for part D, the question here, the total distance covered between t equals to 0 to t equals to 4. Between t equals 0 to t equals to 4. Okay, we have seen between 0 to 4. Okay, the distance as 0 to S2. Okay, sorry, not 0 to 4. S2 to S0, we already got that, which is 4 over 3. Now I have to find what is S2 to S4. Okay, S2 to S4. So to do this, what I can do, I can integrate, okay, the information that we have, which is velocity 2t minus t square. Okay, and this time the limit is between 2 to 4. Okay, so to do that, so I'll get 2t square over 2 minus t cubed over 3. And since they have given us the limit between 2 to 4, you don't have to worry about what is c value. So all I have to do, just sub the value. Okay, so that should be t square, which is 4 square minus 8 over, no, not 8, 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. 64 over 3. Okay, and then minus 2 square over 8 over 3. Okay, so that's 4 cube, which is 16 times 4, 64 over 3 minus 2 square, 8 over 3. Okay, so that should be so that's 16 minus 64 over 3 minus 4 minus 8 over 3, and the answer is minus 6.2 over 3 cm. Minus 6.2 over 3 cm. Minus indicates that it is going back. Okay, it is going back. So we can take that as positive. Negative indicates this, since this is displacement. Negative indicates it's going back. It's just the direction. So I'm going to take it as positive, because all the question here, they want us to find what is the distance covered. Okay, so distance is, so basically we already have, before this we already have 4 over 3 plus negative indicates, as I said, negative indicates this is displacement. Negative indicates it's going back, so you can take it as positive. Okay, so you plus 6.2 over 3, and your answer is 8 cm.